Okay, let's talk about the difference between kahani and kissa. Okay, very important in the hype era that we are living in, and the change of generations that's happening. So you're moving away from industrial era to knowledge era, and this is the time when kahanis and kissas become really important. Kahani is the story of your life. Kissa is the story of other people's lives. So what happens is we are getting so impressed by other people's stories that we are thinking, oh, he can do it, I can do it. I know the playbook, so I can copy it. It's not true. It never happens. Your kahani is your own version of reality. It's a tone of voice which is completely yours. It's your own voice, which means you have to do. Which means you have to energetically align, which means you have to emotionally be better because you need more capacity, you need more cognition, you need more computing as a human to be able to process shift of ages. Remember Tale of Two Cities by Dickens? Very, very similar, right? Talking about moving away from agrarian to industrial era, and now we're moving from industrial to knowledge era. All the rules that you've been taught are irrelevant. everything Papa told you was wrong. So now what? Now relationships will look different at work because you will have to partner with whoever you're working with because all the interns and the lesser beings can be done by technology. So you will have to partner, you'll have to bring your insight on the table, which means you'll have to live a deeper life as a human. If you are empty and all your input is what your papa told you, then what will you build? Then you will just live in the reflected glory of be like Elon Musk, be like Ogilvy, be like whoever. Does anybody want to be like you? If not, why? Earlier I used to say there's only one of me, that's enough. Now I'm like, no, there can be many of me, and that'll be a good service to the world because the consciousness is now clean, and that's a good thing. Relationships, you will look for equal partners. You will stop listening to this one. Girls should be less educated. They should be lesser to this thing or equality. There's nothing called equality. Partnership is a partnership. There's a common frame of reference, and you kind of work with it as partners. You don't attack each other because things get hard. You kind of work with it. You work with your flaws. You don't work with each other's perfection, and that's a completely different depth of relationship that you look for in the beginning, not 20 years later. That's the start point. So for this you'll have to work on your emotionality. You will have to look at what is it that makes you less in your being, in your own self-image. For example, somebody like me who has not yet married, I had to look at it as to why, because hey, why live alone? So I realized very easily that I'm kind of stuck in this childhood belief of my father saying that who'll marry you because I was fat, and now I'm like, hey, anyone, cut a catch, are you worthy? Good questions to ask yourself. Do you want to be a kahani or a kissa? Write your own story. Don't fall for other people's stories. It's all PR.